Sports and exercise. Hi, Alex. Do you like sports?
Hi, David. Yes, I do. I really like football. How about you?
I like basketball, but I also enjoy jogging.
That's great. How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. What about you?
I play football every weekend and go to the gym twice a week.
Nice. Do you exercise alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends. It's more fun.
I agree. What do you like about football?
I like running, teamwork, and staying healthy. That's good. Exercise is important for our health.
Absolutely. It helps us feel stronger and happier.